Kidney beans are a common dish on our dining tables. They can not only be eaten but also used medicinally. The pods of kidney beans can be used as medicine, with effects such as nourishing the body, reducing edema, and detumescence. They can treat symptoms like edema and beriberi. The seeds of kidney beans are rich in protein, dietary fiber, keratin, cellulose, and various vitamins and minerals essential for the human body. They can be cooked, stir, fried, or served cold. They are a tender, delicious, nutritious, and high-quality vegetable with excellent color, aroma, and taste. Most countries around the world use them for freezing and canning, while in China, the young pods are mostly eaten fresh. Kidney beans, also known as string beans, snap beans, runner beans, and white beans, are annual herbaceous plants of the genus Phaseolus in the Leguminosae family. They are native to and a specialty vegetable in China, with a long cultivation history. Kidney bean seeds have been unearthed from the Neolithic Bampo village site in Xi'an. In this lesson, let's learn about the prevention and control of diseases and pests in kidney beans. Next, we will study from three aspects: common diseases of kidney beans, common pests of kidney beans, and prevention and control of diseases and pests. Learning objectives of this lesson. Knowledge objectives. 1. Understand the damage symptoms of kidney bean diseases. 2. Get to know the common pests of kidney beans. 3. Master the key points of preventing and controlling kidney bean diseases and pests. Skill objectives. Be able to correctly identify the damage of diseases and pests. Be able to develop treatment plans according to the symptoms of diseases. Quality objectives. Cultivate a hard, working, positive, and optimistic attitude. Foster teamwork and have a good team spirit and sense of cooperation. Diseases and pests have always been a major problem in crop cultivation. What should we do when encountering diseases to minimize losses and prevent them at the same time? First, we need to understand the diseases. Common diseases of kidney beans. Anthracnose. Anthracnose is one of the most common diseases of kidney beans, with a wide distribution and great damage. When seedlings are infected, reddish brown to black round spots appear on the cotyledons, sunken into ulcer-like shapes. On the leaves of adult plants, the lesions mostly occur on the veins on the back of the leaves. The pods are the main infected parts. The lesions initially appear as small, water-soaked, whitish halos, which then expand and penetrate the pod wall to reach the seeds. Rust. When the leaves and stem vines are infected, small yellowish, green spots with unclear edges initially appear. Then, the center slightly protrudes, and the spots gradually expand to show deep, yellow uridia. When the pods are infected, raised epidermal scar-like spots are formed. Fusarium wilt. The disease starts at the flowering stage. It spreads rapidly upward from the base of the stem, causing one side or the entire stem to turn dark brown and become sunken. The vascular bundles in the stem change color, and the leaves and roots are also affected. Bacterial blight. The cotyledons show reddish, brown ulcer-like symptoms. When the leaves are infected, it starts from the leaf tips or edges. When the stem vines are infected, reddish, brown ulcer-like stripe shaped lesions are formed. When the pods are infected, small, dark green, oily-looking spots initially appear, which then expand into slightly sunken, round to irregular brown spots. Virus disease. Diseased plants show symptoms after emergence, with systemic symptoms such as wrinkled and deformed leaves. Powdery mildew. When the leaves are infected, yellow, brown spots appear on the back of the leaves. These spots then expand into purple, brown spots, covered with a thin layer of white powder. In the later stage, the lesions develop along the veins, and the white powder covers the entire leaf. Root rot. The pathogen mainly infects the roots or the base of the stem of kidney beans. The lower leaves of diseased plants turn yellow, and brown or black spots appear on the diseased parts. The infection mostly spreads from the lateral roots to the main root, causing the entire root system to rot or die. Effective management and prevention of pests are key measures to ensure the healthy growth of crops and increase yields. Let's start by getting to know the pests. Common pests of kidney beans. Aphids. Aphids gather on the young leaves and tender stems of kidney beans to suck sap, causing the leaves to curl, the stem buds to deform, the plants to turn yellow and become short, grow poorly. And they can also transmit virus diseases. Legume pod borer. The larvae bore into flower buds and young pods, causing a large number of flowers and pods to fall. The bored pods have holes and excrement and are prone to rot, affecting their commercial value. Black cutworm. It mainly damages the tender stems or terminal buds of kidney bean seedlings, causing the seedlings to die or grow poorly. Spider mites. Spider mites gather on the back of the leaves to suck sap, causing the leaves to be damaged. Chlorotic spots appear, and in the later stage, the leaves turn yellow and fall off. The prevention and control of diseases and pests are an essential part of agricultural production, directly related to the healthy growth of crops and the final yield. In the face of increasingly complex problems of diseases and pests, it is crucial to take scientific and effective prevention and control measures. Prevention and control of diseases and pests. 1. Agricultural control. Select disease-resistant varieties. Choose suitable disease-resistant varieties according to the local climate and the occurrence of diseases. Seed disinfection. Before sowing, soak or mix the seeds with agents such as formalin and carbendazim to kill the pathogens carried by the seeds. Strengthen field management. Plant with a reasonable density to ensure good ventilation and light transmission in the field. Apply fertilizers scientifically. Increase the application of phosphorus and potassium fertilizers to improve the disease resistance of plants. Drain water in a timely manner after rain to reduce the humidity in the field. 2. Chemical control. Anthracnose. At the initial stage of the disease, spray with a 600-fold solution of 75% chlorothalonil wettable powder or a 500-fold solution of 50% carbendazim, 80% anthracnose, fumai, 65% afropunk, 70% mangazab and other wettable powders. Spray once every 7-10 days. For 2 to 3 consecutive times. Rust. A 3,000-fold solution of 25% propiconazole EC or a 4,000-fold solution of 12.5% diniconazole wettable powder can be selected for spraying. Fusarium wilt. When diseased plants are found, irrigate the roots of the plants with a 400-fold solution of 50% carbendazim wettable powder or 50% thiophanate methyl wettable powder. Apply the medicine once every 7-10 days for 2-3 consecutive times. Anthracnose, according to the shape of the leaf head and ecological requirements. Heading Chinese cabbages are generally divided into 3 basic ecological types: oval-headed, flat-headed, and straight tube-shaped. Bacterial blight. When diseased plants are found, a 3,000-4,000-fold solution of streptomycin for agricultural use, an 800-fold solution of 401 antibacterial agent, or a 1,000-fold solution of 45% ammonium carbamate aqueous solution can be used for spraying. Spray once every 10 days or so. For 2-3 times in total. Virus disease. At the initial stage of the disease, spray 15% phytosin emulsion, etc. Spray once every 10 days or so for 3 to 4 consecutive times. Powdery mildew. At the initial stage of the disease, use pesticides for prevention and control in a timely manner. Pesticides such as tabuconazole, triademophone, or mancozeb, miclobutanil can be selected. Spray once every 7-10 days for 2-3 consecutive times. Root rot. Spray the plants or irrigate the roots with 70% thiophanate, methyl wettable powder, etc. Through this lesson, we have learned the following key points. 1. Common diseases of kidney beans. 2. Common pests of kidney beans. 3. Prevention and control of diseases and pests. Through the study of diseases and pests of kidney beans, we have deeply understood the identification and prevention and control techniques of diseases and pests. Ensuring the healthy growth of kidney beans is not only related to yield and quality, but also the key to increasing farmers' income. I hope everyone can apply the learned knowledge to practice scientific prevention and control, escort the kidney bean industry, and jointly promote the sustainable development of agriculture. That's all for today's content. Finally, here are 2 after-class exercises. Please think independently and complete them after class. 1. What are the main diseases of kidney beans? 2. What are the occurrence conditions of bacterial blight in kidney beans? And propose effective prevention and control measures